doing, guys? Today, I don't know what to do, man. Don't know what the hell this is. Play some bullshit for me. Don't worry, y'all. Y'all follow me. That will be out. Phone turned off. What the fuck? Piece of shit. Fuck this shit. Get the fuck out my face. That's an old ass chick, man. Talk about when I was 10.
I needed prison.
This is TikTok, y'all. Titties though.
Oh my god!
Make sure y'all.
Here.
I gotta do this.
What?
I gotta do it. Y'all know.
Peyton.
Follow us, man. Yeah, I'm looking at that. Is this Pornhub? I'm on Pornhub now.
I don't want on to see
I'm
my
on Pornhub
face,
now.
Peyton, look. Watch. Watch what I do to Princess.
Yo, this is my sister. This is my sister.
I yeeted her. Don't worry, she's fine.
Oh, stop licking me, y'all.
Okay,
That's me in the back, y'all. Big as fuck.
I'm gonna tag you too.
Oh. Stop. You won't. Stop. Go away. Just trying to take over the channel. Go. No. Oh, fuck.
You're still recording?
Yeah. Y'all gotta get them followers up, man. Only 8. Well, I mean, I just made it today.
Get him to like where I'm at.
Yeah, follow. Make sure y'all follow her, man. Don't be playing that ish. Look at that, 99 plus.
That doesn't mean you're famous though.
I don't get none of that shit though. I ain't got shit. Follow me.
Like.
Follow me.
Oh my goodness.
Follow me, guys.
You
Fucking
okay?
follow me. What the fuck is this shit?
I saw you, Princess. You okay?
It's Mr. Still Your Girl. How's your girls?
By the
Nah,
way,
saying.
I have 2 accounts.
Get off me, dog.
I have 2 accounts, but one of them,
Oh.
one of them
Stop.
is like the person that
Take